Okay, we're going to change our belt and our guide rollers here. We had a little bit of a squeak in the dryer, so I was going to do this a little bit later, but I was doing some repairs, checking some things, and I dropped a clip down there, so it'll kind of be an all-encompassing video, I guess. We have it unplugged, and we'll try to document how we're going to get this apart. Okay, so our first step here, we have to remove the lint screen. We'll clean that off camera. 2 Phillips screws in here. Unfortunately, our laundry nook is small enough that I had to take the washer out to get the dryer out. This is just so that we can loosen the top. Now we'll get some clips out here. We push in on them and kind of push from the back. Loosens that clip up. And then we can rotate this up. Maybe push it back a little bit. Just to support it there. Here's the belt that we're going after. Next, we're going to take this connector apart for the door switch. Maybe. Now we can take the front panel off. Getting rid of the 2 5/16 screws here. We've got a little bit of dust. We'll take a look at this seal, make sure everything is sealing up how we want it. Got a little bit of money for Mom there. Now we want to take a look down here. We'll probably need a flashlight. So here's our belt and our tensioner. We're just going to support the drum with one arm and walk this belt off. Don't worry about that for now. Now we should be able to lift the drum right out. Now we've got seals here. We maybe should take a look at. May need to do some replacement. Some cracks there. Oops. On the front. Just got a Teflon seal there. Now, We have our two rollers. I think this is where our squeaking was coming from. You can see how well they turn. Also got some things to clean up in here. Here's our tensioner. Might have had some squeaking from that too. That's all new. So if we loosen this, there's just a bit of a clip on here. Get our brace out of the way. Get our little hairball. And we have a little plastic triangle here. It's holding our roller in place. One roller removed. Plenty of hair buildup here. Now our other one, we just have the triangles. Okay, we've got it cleaned up a little bit. This seal is glued on here and I don't have a new one, so that's going to have to go back together for tonight. Here's the loot that we found in there, 52 cents and a drill bit. Here's the clip that I dropped that necessitated this, zipper, pop tab, some of our old parts. So we'll put our new parts on. These little triangle retainers will slide in there. And of course it wants to sit in the outer groove. That's in the inner groove now. And there we go there. Put our support back up here. And our retaining clip. I'll maybe grab a socket to try to push that on there straight. I just grabbed a 9mm socket. Nearly any socket would do. That's hopefully going to push it on there evenly. Might be that a socket and a mallet would be the proper way to do that. Have our new belt in, the ribs go to the inside, the pulley is ribbed, the drive pulley right down here has ribs on it, so the very fine ribs on this belt we'll want. Also our rollers are going to ride in this groove right here. That's what's supporting the drum on the back. Get our belt in approximately the right location here. Make sure we're not twisted. Now we're going to feed the belt through our tensioner here. Our belt is just hanging like this. We'll feed the belt through the tensioner. You have to help the tensioner up. And over our drive pulley. Now, we're just going to rotate that to make sure that it stays, that it's in the right spot. The other thing we want to look at is inside here. Make sure that that seal is not folded over anywhere. You can poke that back in with your putty knife or your screwdriver if you need to. That all looks like it's in the right spot. So now we have to get our door back on. We need to get it to sit down into these clips right here. Okay, we've got little clips there on each side, and they're going to go into those holes there. So we'll line this door up just slightly higher from this edge that I still need to clean off, and then we also have to hold the drum up at the same time to get everything lined up properly. So we'll go just a little higher. Get our drum set on there. Should be good. Put our two side screws in without dropping them. Maybe. Connect our door switch. Reinstall our two Phillips screws. Install our lint trap.